Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we'll explore one of the most amazing tutorial, Batch Processing Panel, complete automation workflow in one system. Must watch out completely. You are going to automate your most of the repetitive tasks that save you 70% of your time in AutoCAD. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Type APP. We will upload one additional software in AutoCAD. OK. Batch Processing Panel, the short key BPP, OK. And load here and close. This is OK. Now type BPP. You will get complete panel. Let this block manager and just select all the drawing and enter one time. When you will enter, you will get complete block manager where you can edit your batch block text in one time, where you can edit your batch block color all in one panel, and here you have option to edit your block name, OK, and your block color also. For your entire drawing, as much as you have, you can select and you can edit from here, OK, and now you can change your color also from here. OK, now all the block successfully replaced with new name and new color. BPP layer editor. You are getting complete layer manager. You can edit your layer name, color, and you can activate particular layer lock on off from here, all in one time. Let this handrail uppercase. Auto text you are getting dash version. Let this auto text, and here you can change color. So this powerful tool you can effectively utilize. Now you see here, all the layer we have edited got changed successfully. You can on off particular layer. Tick, it will lock entirely. Tick, it will on, untick, it will unlock, okay? Or you can do particular also. You can download this LISP routine for free, just for a limited period of time. You can check out the link below, okay? Now you see here, we have locked and we have isolated few layers. This powerful panel save you lot of time. I will change text color, okay, all in one time. Let this text color, select all, and you are getting like this, okay. You can change particular text color. It can be any reason, okay. AutoCAD is so diverse. There is no idea who using for what type of work. You can change your particular text color all in one time, and it will preview also. So you can check out how it's look like. Text replace, okay, and select all the text and enter. You will get entire unique text in complete box. Original text, new text, and edit your new text here. Means you can batch edit. You do not require to go one by one. If you want to check out or you want to change your text, you can do this way. OK, all set, and now let this OK. It got successfully changed your text. If you see here, so this powerful panel will save you significant of time. Let this batch auto text, OK. Take your panel, BPP, arch text, OK. You will get one box. Pre-made complete panel, OK. And now you can place your text without any manual keyword. Bedroom, bathroom, and yes, you can keep your own text also. Color, style, layer, scale. You can customize as per your own to keep in your drawing. So here we are getting architectural text selector. You can choose from here the text you want and click over the point in one time without any keyword input. So this powerful panel avoid you shortcut reminder. You do not to remind important shortcut. You are getting complete LISP system in one panel. You can download this powerful panel. Just check out the link below and must leave your feedback in the comment how you got this, okay.